Today we are going to make handmade folders. Watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below. Do subscribe me at AISHMINDIY my channel. Hello my dear viewers. If you are new here, I am Aishmin and welcome to my channel AISHMINDIY. Now let's get started. The Colourful Handmade Folder. I upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. The list of the material is given in the description box. If you find this video interesting, then do hit the like button and comments below. Do subscribe me at AISHMINDIY, my channel, and hit the bell button. Don't forget to comment below if you like this video or not. Keep watching, keep sharing. Bye bye, take care, live your dreams.